have a go at the speed. 43 knots these guys are doing. This is so loose. These guys are just in complete survival, mate. Oh, the USA are in. Are they going to survive? I don't think they are. Australia have survived. Japan has survived. Surely. That was the big moment, that bear away. We're all worried about it. And off they go. Australia had a great start, but they've got to have a penalty. China had a great start. They've got a penalty. France are doing a great job coming out the top.
You know, good for Billy Bisson. He started well.
Super, c'est très bien. Un peu plus haut, Marie.
And here they come. Australia are about to take the first win for event number 4 here in Cowes. Awesome job by the Australians.
Hey boy, 50 years across the line. Good boy. Nice work.